Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to start the next part of your chapter number 3, farmers and herders in history. So earlier, as you know, we have discussed about the Neolithic societies. Neolithic is the last stone age and much more developed as compared to the previous two one. So here, let's talk about in a detail of Neolithic settlements. So, in Neolithic settlement, as you know, found in Indian subcontinents like your Daujali Heding in Assam, Burjahom, Mehergarh, Brahmagiri, and Payampalli in Tamil Nadu, which we have discussed earlier. Now, let's talk about their societies. So, society is one of the most important component which we have seen in a Neolithic settlement during the excavation. So, there is a one term which is very famous, that is the tribes. As you know, in the Neolithic settlement, the early humans started to live in the kinds of houses which is not developed like nowadays houses, but still we can say they rather than wandering like an animal into the forest or here and there, they started to live in a permanent settlement, means they have a shelter. This shelter can be made by like a hut mud walls which the bushes, the hut can be made by the mud stones and bushes, and sometimes it could be the pit holes. Okay, so as now they have started to form their houses, so they started to live most of the early humans started to live in the groups, and that groups is known as tribe. One new term is the tribes. So what is the tribe here? So our me in the during the Neolithic settlements, the meaning of the tribe is that the early humans who are living in the same kinds of society, and they have a same kinds of tradition, beliefs, and rituals. So these people known as society or tribes. Okay, so tribes understood better. Tribes means a group of the peoples or early humans which are living in a proper one of the specific area where they follow the same kinds of tradition, or they worship the same kinds of god, they have a same kinds of rituals, laws. So they are known as tribes. So these kinds of groups is known as tribes. So in the simple word, what we can say, the tribes means the group of the early humans who are living in a proper specific area with the same kinds of tradition and beliefs, जो एक ही एरिया में एक ही जैसे रूल्स को फॉलो करें, एक ही जैसे आपकी रिचुअल्स हों, कस्टम्स हों। तो ऐसे लोगों को हमने बोला ट्राइब्स, उनके ग्रुप्स को क्या बोला गया बेटा, ट्राइब्स बोला गया। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट देयर हाउसेस। सो हाउसेस, एज आई टोल्ड यू that earlier to stone ages, the Neolithic societies houses are still they, you can say, they are little bit advanced as compared to the earlier two ages of the stone age. So Neolithic farmers used to build their houses with the help of the mud stones, as we discussed earlier, and sometimes it could be the pit holes. So this is the picture of pit holes in your book also. So what is the meaning of this pit hole? Pit hole means like a kind of underground svita. Earlier there used to be the stairs by which they used to enter their house inside the earth. ओके, जमीन के अंदर उनके घर होते थे. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड पिट हाउसेस, and that is very famous during the Neolithic society or settlement. And we have found in our India, we have found these kinds of settlement in a Mehergarh, which is current day in the Pakistan, and also somewhere in the part of the Burj home, which is in the Jammu Kashmir. So here we can see the evidences of these kinds of houses. So tools which we talk about, so as you already know, in the last second chapter we told, I discussed about that tools are majorly made by the stones, because this age is known as the stone age. So we already know that all the tools or weapons is made by the tools. But what happened, the kinds of tools they are using, it is much more advanced polished, and it can be the advanced version of the previous two ages. वो थोड़े ज़्यादा एडवांस थे और अच्छी तरीके से पॉलिश्ड थे और साइन थी उनमें. और some kinds of tools which we can see, the bones they use for the fishing, needle for sewing, and arrow hole, spade heads, and daggers for the hunting. So these are there some kinds of tools which they used by the Neolithic people. And even you can see, look at the here, these kinds of tools, fishing tools, you can see in the picture, cultivation tools which they used to like present day plug जो आपका हल होता है कुछ उसी तरीके का similar project है. So we used to this tools for digging the earth. Then kinds of pottery. Next topic is about the pottery. So what is the pottery? Pottery is like your the kinds of utensils you are using. जो आप घर पे आपके बर्तन यूज करते हैं तो जनरली दैट टाइम इट इज मेड बाय द मड्स. ये आपके मड से बने होते थे. तो आपके पॉटर्स व्हील यूज आपने देखा होगा अर्लियर. नाउ डेज इन यूर सराउंडिंग यू हैव सीन हाउ दी अर्थन पॉट्स यूज टू मेक, कैसे बनते हैं वो. सो आपने देखा होगा देयर इज काइंड्स ऑफ व्हील. एक आपका गाड़ी के जैसा व्हील होता है विच यूज टू बी move in a circular motion, and in the center of that wheel they used to keep the clay and then started to mold into the shape. So in this same way which we have seen nowadays, the art of making the pottery is kind of similar during that time. Okay. And there one of the famous pottery which we have found in the northern part of our India, इंडिया के नॉर्दर्न पार्ट में ड्यूरिंग द एग्जावेशन वी हैव फाउंड इट. एंड दैट इज द एन बी, इसे बोलते हैं NBGW. एंड उसका नाम है ब्लैक ग्रे वेयर, नॉर्दर्न ब्लैक ग्रे वेयर्स. और ये आपके कुछ मैट फिनिशिंग होती है. मैट मीन्स बेटा विच इज़ नॉट टू मच शाइनी बट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वन. ओके. खुरदरी सी आपकी पॉटरी होगी बट वो शाइनी नहीं होगी बट इट विल बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. So this is how they used to make their pottery. So student, today these topics are enough for your today's classes. So the next upcoming topic we will discuss in the next classes. Till then, revise it and do the written work. Thank you. Have a nice day, Victor.